Hello. हेलो.
यस सर.
आवाज जा रही है? आवाज जा रही है ना?
यस सर. यस.
Okay. So just share the screen first of all, and then can you see the panel? Hello.
Yes sir.
Okay.
Yes sir.
So you have already the circuit diagram for the three-phase parallel operation of transformer. So you may find out here the connection one by one in primary side and secondary side, and according to the voltmeter and connection emitter in the primary and secondary winding, you may find out just this one, black one, all voltmeter in the upper row, this one, and in the lower part, that is in middle part, we find the various emitter, okay, digital emitter, second row and third row, and some panel I will be discuss. Just you observe the connection first of all, okay. So you may be observe the connection. Have you circuit diagram na? Hello. So you may be see a connection of the primary side and secondary side and load of the two winding transformer. Okay. So just see how we can connect the primary winding and secondary winding of the two transformer, the primary side and secondary side also. Okay. ये तो तुम लोग बहुत प्रैक्टिस किए हो इलेक्ट्रिकल मशीन लैब में. Okay. I think in basic lab how we can connect the voltmeter and ammeter in a circuit diagram. वोल्टमीटर हम लोग कैसे कनेक्ट करते हैं? वोल्टमीटर एमीटर, how we can connect the voltmeter and ammeter in the circuit diagram. Hello. हेलो.
Yes sir.
कनेक्शन तो तुम लोग कर सकते हो ना सर्किट डायग्राम देख करके?
Yes sir.
Okay. So just first of all we connect the all voltmeter and ammeter in the primary side of the two transformer for their supply voltage and current measurement, and secondary side voltmeter and ammeter for the load current measurement in the transformer 1 and 2. Okay. So just wait 1 minute. So we required some wires. So just connect that wire in the panel for the supply side of the transformer 1 and transformer 2. Okay. And you just put on the observation table. So we can take the reading of ammeter and voltmeter. So just wait few minutes. Take some time for the connection. Then we will take reading and supply given to the panel, and our connection is completed according to the circuit diagram. So from the circuit diagram and connection on the panel, can you find out the primary winding and secondary winding of the transformer 1 and 2? Which one indicate the transformer 1 and which one indicate transformer 2? Can you find out from the panel? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
ट्रांसफार्मर 1 ट्रांसफार्मर 2 कौन सा है पैनल में? This one, can you find out the transformer 1? It I think clearly not visible. This one is
Yes, sir.
upper part is transformer 1 and lower part is transformer 2. Okay. So primary winding of the transformer 1 in delta connection and primary winding of transformer 2 is also in delta connection, and secondary side of the transformer 1 in star, and yeah, so you will find out supply given to the panel. Okay, so indicator below 3 phase, that means you will get this RYB. This is like no load person. All loader. Okay, so now I elaborate all the part mentioned in the panel here. Okay, so you will find out this is the panel of 3-phase transformer we require to connect in parallel. Okay, so here indicator of 3-phase supply, and you will find out the supply given from this input terminal to the panel at this point, this 3 terminal. Okay, that means RYB. Okay, 3 phase. So when you supply given at this point through this MCB, if you put on, okay, then if this MCB on, then you find the all the indicator of the 3 phase of the panel glow. Okay, and the rating, you know that the voltage rating of 3 phase, that is 450 volt standard or 430 volt. Okay, 3 phase supply available here, and at this part is all voltmeter and ammeter. Okay, so this one voltmeter 1 voltmeter, second voltmeter and third voltmeter, and second and third row you find out the emitter. Okay, so V1 and V2 and V3 कौन सा वोल्ट मीटर प्राइमरी साइड के लिए क्या दिया है? प्राइमरी साइड के लिए V1. So for transformer 1, you will find out here transformer 1 in the upper part. So primary side voltmeter line voltage can be measured through this voltmeter. That means voltmeter 1 connected. You may find out with one ammeter. So from this point you supply given to the transformer 1 with one ammeter. So you can note down the reading for the supply voltage and supply current of the transformer 1. Okay, and for transformer 1 input current I think taken for the I1. I1 na? And I2 for transformer 2 primary side, and I3 and I4 and I5 for the secondary side. Okay. So these voltmeter, that is V1 and V2, you may be used for the V1 for the primary side. So voltmeter 1 read the primary side of the transformer 1 and 2 reading. Okay. And similarly voltmeter 2 for the secondary side of the transformer 1 and voltmeter 3 for the secondary side of the transformer 2. Okay, and you may find out here, that means at this load panel. Okay, this one is your various load panel. You will find out 2 ampere for this load and 1 ampere this load, and particularly 1 ampere and 0.5 ampere. Okay, so you may note down the for no load condition reading. Okay, so what you required here, supply voltage of the transformer 1 and 2, is not supply voltage of the transformer 1 and 2. So just note down all the reading at the no load condition. First of all, just note down it. Is it visible? Hello, voltmeter reading. Hello. बोल नहीं रहे हो. Is it visible or just I need to tell you the reading?
Not visible, sir.
Now is it visible? Even I think 0.4 404 or 5 or 6. Visible na? Hello.
No, sir.
Is it not visible? This one is your V1. That means 407 volt. Okay. And this one is your V2. The same. That means this one for the secondary side, transformer 1. Or transformer 2 primary side. No? Transformer 2 primary side. Okay. So 407 also. And V3 is your primary side of the transformer 1. So 376. I think is it clearly visible? Is it not? So just note down it. And emitter reading, that means primary side supply current for the transformer 1. Transformer 1. Okay. Is indicated by I1. That means 4.56. Clearly visible. 4.56. नोट हो गया ना? हेलो. एंड I2 नोट कर लो. I2 indicate the transformer 2 primary side current. transformer 2 primary side current, so same, that means 2.02 2.03 sorry 4.5 and 4.1. हो गया ना? हुआ कि नहीं? हेलो
सर नहीं सर
नहीं हुआ?
सर ट्रांसफर का सर
ट्रांसफार्मर 2 का प्राइमरी साइड का ना,
यस
प्राइमरी साइड का, तो ट्रांसफार्मर 2 I2 4.1 हो गया?
यस सर
And the secondary side of transformer 1. So which emitter used for this? Just find out here. Which emitter used for the transformer 1? I3. Secondary side of transformer 1. I3. 2.145. Okay? And I4 is for the transformer secondary side transformer 2. Let me find out here. इंस्टॉल हो रहा है। चार ही मीटर होना चाहिए ना, 4 ही मीटर होना चाहिए। So just wait a minute. Yeah. शॉर्ट सर्किट हो गया। So just wait few minutes. इसमें जस्ट 1 and 2 1 हो जाएगा प्राइमरी साइड दोनों ट्रांसफार्मर के लिए ना, और 2 हो गया I2 किसके लिए यूज किया?
सेकेंडरी साइड
सेकेंडरी साइड ट्रांसफार्मर 1 एंड एमीटर 3
ये प्राइमरी साइड का है।
प्राइमरी साइड का
प्राइमरी साइड का इसका तो करंट सेम आएगा, प्राइमरी साइड का है
प्राइमरी साइड
ट्रांसफार्मर 1 का।
ट्रांसफार्मर 1 का प्राइमरी साइड में I1 से मेजर किया
हाँ
है, और I2 से सेकेंड
इसका
ट्रांसफार्मर 2 का,
हाँ
I3 का
तो ये इसका
प्राइमरी साइड,
हाँ
और I4
इसका
उसका, और 5 और 6
एक लोड का है और फिर एक इसका है
दूसरे लाइन के लिए।
हाँ।
Okay, fine. So just प्राइमरी साइड का हम लोग नोट कर लेते हैं I2 एंड I3 फॉर ट्रांसफार्मर 1 and 2 के लिए, इज नॉट, एंड I4 and I5 and I5 is your secondary side load current. Okay, secondary side load current. So here we find out the no load. So if we on the load 1. हम लोग का दिखाएगा जीरो शो करना चाहिए, लोड तो ऑन नहीं किया है फिर।
नहीं सेकेंडरी साइड का ये है, ये सेकेंडरी साइड का है, ये वाला सेकेंडरी साइड का करंट है।
I4 and I5.
हाँ सेकेंडरी का है।
ओके,
दिस इज द लोड का, लोड ये है, ये लोड का साथ कनेक्ट है।
ये लोड के साथ कनेक्ट है। I6 लोड के साथ कनेक्ट है। तो अभी यदि हम लोग स्विच ऑन नहीं कर रहे हैं तो ये एमीटर कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं तो एक्चुअली करंट नहीं करना चाहिए। Just wait few minutes. So मैनुअल कहाँ पे? तो ये कर ही देते हैं और ऑब्जर्वेशन टूल बाद में भेज देंगे, ठीक है? Okay, so we will find out here the connection and load of the secondary side. Okay.
सर कुछ लोग वेटिंग में हैं।
वेटिंग में है। Okay, so just we next for the is if you switch on, then you will find out. I think just all the switch are on position.
Oh,
That's
on
why
positions.
Yeah. No. Okay, so you have to just first of all note down the no load condition.